Hey guys, today I will show you how to dispute a transaction on MoneyLion. So first what you need to do is open the MoneyLion app on your device and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the bottom menu and tap on the bank icon. From there, select your Roar Money account to view your recent transactions. Now scroll through the list and find the transaction you want to dispute. Tap on it to open the details. At the bottom of the screen, you should see an option to report a problem or dispute transaction. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, you'll be asked to choose the reason for your dispute. Options may include things like an incorrect amount, a duplicate charge, or a transaction you don't recognize. Select the one that applies to your situation and continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. In most cases, MoneyLion may ask you to confirm a few details or provide additional information about the disputed charge. Once submitted, the report will be sent directly to MoneyLion's support team for review. You'll usually get a confirmation email or in-app notification letting you know your dispute was filed. Keep an eye on your account and messages in case they need more details from you, and that's how you dispute a transaction on MoneyLion. Thanks for watching.